Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing epic minigames. The like goal for today is just going to be just 2 likes. Just like the Fashion Famous one. Now, we're just waiting for the other one to stop so we can start playing. So, let's just wait. Beep, blah, blah, blah. And like I always say, please don't throw any hate comments. If you don't like my videos, you don't have to subscribe or press that like button or turn on post notifications. Just please don't throw any hate comments, please. I don't like looking at hate comments at all. Oh no, Black Hole Scramble. I literally hate this game so badly. I literally hate this game so bad. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm here. Can I just... Oh, man, I can't start first. Damn. Run. Yikes. I am very worried. Okay, I'll see you guys when the black hole thing is done. Okay, guys, so the minigame is Undead Aboard. So let's start playing. We're just gonna have to wait a few seconds, just a few. Whoa. Okay. Usually I always die on this one, so nobody even tries to protect the place where the pirates come from. So Sophia, for all the best. Oh no. Well, here comes the first pirate. Okay, there, I killed him. And here comes the second pirate, which is gonna be dead. Third pirate. What is this girl doing? Okay, fourth pirate. How did he go just through me? Hello? And I'm gonna die! I'm just trying to protect myself now, since apparently nobody's trying to protect anybody here, and my health is about to die, and there's pirates everywhere. There's literally pirates everywhere around here. No, no, I died, man. There's only like 8 seconds left. Come on. You've got to be kidding me. I try to protect everyone. Oh well, that's okay. Okay, let's go to stuff. Goblet, Terry, Vadal, Priest, Goblet, typical games, equip. Perfect. Okay. Ooh, cloud control? Okay, I guess. I don't know whose team I'm gonna be with. Okay, blue team. Oh no. Blue team always loses in this game. Oh no. No. Please go blue. Yes. Blue is doing good so far. No. No. Oh, it's gonna turn red. No, please. Just keep turning red. I mean blue. Blue for the win. Blue for the win. Okay, apparently it's not working so far since everybody's just basically following me. Okay, I'm just gonna stay up here. Blah. Good thing I got that one. Okay, yes, my teammate is pretty good. Usually my teammates are pretty bad. No, okay, oh no. Yikes! Ooh, blah. Why am I so laggy? Eat! Okay, blue clouds are going everywhere. Yeah! Alright, blue team won for once. Wee! Okay, Joni, let's go. No, my drone is going faster than me. Skip by chaos. China. Okay. Black. Okay. Okay. Apparently I'm very laggy, so I don't know if. Okay, I'm really scared right now. No, 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 no! Okay. I'll see you guys when this mini game finishes. Hey guys, so apparently we're playing Hedge Way Out. Oh, okay. Oh, rock. Okay. Maybe I should follow the rock. Okay, never mind. It's not even gonna open for me. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Just okay. We're just gonna go here, I guess. Okay. I'm just gonna stay here. No, I'm still stuck. I went to Queen Bee. No, man. I'm just gonna stay here. Okay, perfect. I'm going this way. No, I should have went with her. Yes. Yes, I made it. Only a few seconds left. Whew. Okay, let me check. Nope, never mind. Wee. Okie dokie. So, cake delivery. I do not like cake delivery. I do not like cake delivery at all. Sorry about all the noise, guys. So sorry about all the noise. Okay, maybe it's gonna be 13. I don't know. I don't think I'll be 13. Okay, 19. Okay, let's go try and find 19. Okay, I saw 1. 35. 24. 11. 28. No, 16. 15. 12. 19. 19's right there. 19. Yes! I made it! Yay! So happy that I made that. I'm so happy that I made that. Laser cutting. Of course, laser cutting. Okay. I'm pretty good at this game, but I've died like, I don't know, 10 times in this game. Ever since I've played this game, I don't know how many times I've died, but I know it's like more than 5. Okie dokie, here's the first one. Why is the first one so, okay, well, that was very weird. Why can't I move? Okay, yeah, okay, I don't want to die. Okay, it's pretty okay. It's pretty going okay so far. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good. Block. And so far, so good. Oh my gosh, okay, here. Here. Here, and, block. Okay. Whew. Here, and bloop. Here. 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 Here, and block. Okay, yay, I made it. Ten seconds. In the night, Crumble Island. Okay, dokie. I guess we could play that. 8, 7, 6. Okay. Crumble Island. I know how to do this island, but like, If both of them go, then okay. Okie let me just use my trick. I stand in between two of them, so if one of them crumbles, I can just go to the next one. Yeah, there. Let me go in between these two. Okay, I'm basically not doing anything right now, but I feel pretty sure that I'm gonna get stuck on this island very soon. Okay, I'm definitely stuck on this island now. What do I do? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Well, there's a sign of it's gonna break. Okie dokie. 9, 8, 7. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Phew! Okay, I made it. And that's gonna be all for today, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on those post notifications. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.